Good morning, students. Before the exam, we have done up to that exercise 7.3 in triangle chapter number 7. Now today we will complete our exercise 7.4. Yes, and it is based on inequalities in triangles. Inequalities in triangle. Inequalities means inequality means not equal. Yes, could be less than or greater than. Less than or greater than. Clear? There are some theorems given. Theorem are given in that. The first one is side opposite to greater angle is longer. Is it clear? The side opposite to greater angle is longer, or is it clear? Now what it means, is it clear? That is, side opposite to greater angle is longer. Means if a triangle I will take, that is a triangle A, B, C, and that C angles are there. If angle A is greater than angle B and angle A is also greater than angle C, that means the side opposite to BC is greater than, in that case, BC. Side opposite to A is BC is greater than side opposite to angle B is AC. Same in that case, side opposite to that angle A is BC and side opposite to angle C is AB. Is it clear? What it means, what it suggests that if the side opposite to greater angle is longer, means angle A, if angle A is greater than angle B, that means side opposite to angle A, which is BC, will be greater than side opposite to angle B, which is AC. If BC is greater than AC, same for that, if angle A is greater than angle C, that case BC will be greater than side AB, which is opposite to angle C. Now the converse of that. 2 ले सकते हैं. Converse for first. First thing है angle opposite to longer side longer side is greater, angle opposite to longer side is greater. Like same, I am taking a triangle PQR. CQR is a triangle in which PQ is greater than PF. PQ smaller कर लेते हैं PR से. Yes, means here PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ means the opposite angle of PQ is angle R and angle opposite to PR is angle Q. So means angle Q is greater than angle R. Angle Q is greater than angle R. You can also write like that, means if you want to write in the greater form. Let's suppose that if PQ is also, we can say that QR is greater than PR. QR is greater than PR. That case, the angle opposite to QR is angle P is greater than the angle opposite to PR is angle Q. Clear? So from that we can get here inside QR is greater than PR is greater than PQ. Same, the sequence of the angles opposite to the sides that are angle P is greater than angle Q and angle Q is greater than angle R. Yes, same thing we can write here also, that understand that two theorems, that first is that side opposite to greater angle is longer, and second one is that angle opposite to longer side is greater. Now see the next theorem. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Let ABC is a triangle. ABC क्या है? Triangle हमने ले लिया. A, B, C is a triangle. Clear? Now we have to prove that the sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Greater than third side. यहाँ prove करके देखते हैं. Let's extend AB as in the direction yes कंस्ट्रक्शन है टू प्रूफ था ये मान लेते हैं. इसे प्रूफ करने के लिए कैसे करेंगे? प्रूफ में ले देते हैं इसे नॉट गिवन इन द बुक. कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया है extend BA up to D having AD is equals to AC. AD is equals to AC होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? AD is equals to AC होना चाहिए. Let's give the number to the angles 1, 2, 3, 4. That will also 4, 5. Now see that you have constructed that extended BA up to that D, whereas AD is equals to AC. हमें दोनों साइड इक्वल लेनी थी. Now we can say we have to prove here. यहाँ पे लिखी है to prove क्या है? Yes, to prove is that yes AB plus AD AC is greater than BC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. AB plus AC, sum of two sides, is greater than BC. Now we will discuss only about triangle ABD. Here BD is equals to AB plus AD, which is equals to AB plus AC, because AD is equals to AC. हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन के थ्रू ये प्रूव किया है कि AD जो है वो किसके इक्वल है, AC के इक्वल है. So BD is that. Now we will see in triangle BCD, angle C is greater than angle D. Is it clear? Angle C is greater than angle D because that is isosceles triangle. ये दोनों साइड इक्वल थी, इसलिए दोनों एंगल क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. Angle C is greater than angle D. As you know that कि angle C plus angle 4 will always be greater than angle 4. Yes, because angle C cannot be equal to 0. Understand that? Now, angle C is greater than angle D means, therefore, if angle C is greater than angle D, that means the side opposite to angle C का opposite side कौन सी है? BD is greater than side opposite to angle D, which is BC. The side opposite to angle D is BC. Now, we can write BD as, I told you that BD is equals to AB plus AC, which is greater than BC. Hence proved. Yes. It's a simple one, that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. That we have proved. Similarly, we can prove it that AB plus BC is greater than AC. AC plus BC is also greater than AD. कोई भी two sides का pair, sum of two sides, any two sides is greater than third side. Clear about that? Now we will see the questions. Yes. Question number 1 is to prove in right angle triangle the hypotenuse is longer side. First we define that hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse side opposite to right angle. In right angle triangle, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is side opposite to right angle in right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Now see that here ABC is a right angle triangle. which is ABC एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है which is right angle at angle B. Now sides opposite to angle A is BC, angle B is AC, which is hypotenuse, and angle C is AB. Now what we have to prove that AC is greater than BC and AC is also greater than AB. Now see, angle B is greater than angle A. Angle B is greater than angle A. Therefore, the side opposite to angle B is AC is greater than BC. In right angle triangle, right angle is greater than other two. Clear? That's the first. Now angle C, angle B is also greater than angle C. Same. The reason is same. And therefore AC is also greater than AB. Second, from first and second, AC means hypotenuse is greater than other two sides and two. You can write QED also. Now we will see the second question. Now see in that question, it is given that a triangle is there ABC in which the side AB is extended to point P and AC is extended to point Q. In which the condition is given that angle PBC is greater than angle QCB. Angle QCB से क्या है greater है. Is it clear? And we have to prove that in that case AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB, whereas AC is opposite to angle B and AB is opposite to angle C. Clear about it? Now see that first focus on that. It is given in that angle PBC is greater than angle QCB as we know that angle PVC is equals to 180 degree minus angle B, forming the linear pair property, and angle QCB, first मान लेते हैं ना, QCB is equals to 180 degree minus angle C, same using the linear pair property. And now keeping the value in the first, second, third, from first, second and third, what we are getting, 180 degree minus angle B is greater than 180 degree minus angle C. Minus angle C. It means is it clear? Angle B is greater than angle C. Angle B is greater than angle C. Is it clear? So, one. Sorry, here it is given less than. PVC is less than QCB. So it will be less than QCB, and in that case angle B is greater than angle C. Angle B is greater than angle C. Why? Because reason, listen about it. If minus A is less than minus B, that case A should be greater than B. A किससे बड़ा होना चाहिए? B से बड़ा होना चाहिए. So remember that case, if minus A, same here, minus angle B will be less than minus angle C. So in that case, angle B will be greater than angle C. Now, if angle B is greater than angle C, that means the side opposite to angle B, AC, is greater than AB. And proved, or you can write QED. Clear about it? Now see the next question.